5 product developers and 3 business developers. And we're solving the problem where we have great developers all over the world, but events like Startup Weekend only happen in large cities. So our solution is 2 websites, GeekedIn and Startup Cycle. These are online communities where developers come together and can rapidly prototype ideas in sort of a weekly cycle. So by that, what I mean is we have a user flow where on Monday, everybody uploads their video pitch to somewhere like YouTube. And then Tuesday through Thursday, users can browse all these pitches and decide, oh, I'm kind of interested in this project. I'd be willing to work on you for this weekend, work with you this weekend. And then on Friday, the project lead will select their team and they'll start working. By Sunday, they've finished their project and then all the projects get released and the whole cycle starts over again. So we're different than most other ideas so far because first off, we're location independent. We're online, so we don't actually have to worry about having everybody in one big building. Right? We're very low cost and we're low time commitment because we're only dealing with a weekend project. So GeekedIn is actually our free version of this product. So we're targeting hackers who want to come together and build prototypes, like I said. It's free to come there and set up a project and solicit for people to work with you on it. You get a free public source code repository and a free auto-generated domain, subdomain. And then Startup Cycle is our premium version where our goal is, once again, to get hackers to come, but these are hackers that want to do actual startups, not just prototype ideas. So they'll pay $70, just like you do with Startup Weekend, and you get a private source code repository, you get a top-level domain assigned to you, you get meeting tools like GoToMeeting that will let you do voice conference and desktop sharing, and you get some boilerplate legal code.
Okay, now I'm going to discuss our market plan. So our primary market is the users of Hacker News. What we found is about 150,000 monthly unique visitors to the website. They generally are male, college educated, up to about $100,000 in income. One question we have is how do we retain our customers? Being a network, it's somewhat easy to acquire them, but to actually keep them coming to the site week after week is a challenge. So we want to emphasize this, more of a meetup event-driven model where people want to come back to the website every week to see what's new, rather than a dating model where they come there to get something that they need and then leave. There are 4 ways we can make money. Just want to focus right now with the GeekedIn. We're going to have sponsored projects. So about 20% of our projects will be sponsored by companies who want to feature their tools to the community. We also have a job board. We'll provide also premium user fees, as we mentioned, $70 for a startup cycle if you want to participate in the startup. And we'll provide the referrals of professional services such as attorneys and accountants. Our 5-year model, we're looking at about $13 million in revenue, given our projections for growth. Initially, it's based on GeekedIn revenue in year 1, about $300,000, and over time we're looking at growing that, but then that's going to be taken over by Startup Cycle as we have people actually starting companies with this service.